Crypto Bean is CCNet back with another in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars and the overall market. I'm gonna go over some community comments real quick. I think a lot of you guys are getting confused about the purpose of this channel. The purpose of this channel is not to promote Dogelon Mars, and it is not. I am not part. I would say I'm part of the Dogelon Mars community, but I'm not here to just sit around and wait to make money. I'm here to make money fast, and that's what I'm doing, and Dogelon Mars is not doing that right now. So, I said that last video, I sold half of my stake in Dogelon Mars and put it into a different portfolio. And a lot of you guys, I showed Fartcoin as well, and yeah, we are dipping on that. I'm not in Fartcoin at all. I'm not even touching crypto right now, to be honest with you. I'm just holding what I have in Dogelon Mars and focusing on my other investments, because crypto right now is not looking too dandy with everything going on in the economic state of the world. However, we have people like BGTRI2 saying you were exit liquidity multiple times. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. My last entry was around here, and then I sold it as it was coming back down because it's clear that we were going to hit all-time lows again. The only time I would say it was exit liquidity was when I bought right here, and then I sold it as it rejected up off of here. Yeah, I would say I'm exit liquidity there way back in 2022. But I don't know what argument you're trying to make there, to be honest. But we've just been bouncing, and now it's literally headed towards all-time lows previous to IPO. And that's not looking too hot for Dogelon Mars, to be honest with you guys. I'm not saying it still can't push up. It's just not getting the price action we need to see in order for it to break highs again. Right now, it could in the future, but right now it's not looking like it's going towards the upside, which is, I don't know. I've been holding this coin for years now, and I didn't like, the only way to make money is to get in and then get out as it spikes. That's what I was doing for the last 2 years, and yeah, it makes some money, but dog, these spikes take like months to happen. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm here to make money, and that's it. I do that by any means necessary. In Dogelon Mars, the means is not. It's not a means to make money right now. But anyways, I know a lot of you guys are still in Dogelon Mars, such as myself. So we're gonna go over the technicals here and see what it's looking like. Right now, we are currently trending lower, making lower highs, and we're coming down to a major base of support around this 10 level. If we break through this 10, we're going to the 7s, because that is previous all-time lows. So if we break through this 10 and we do not see a bounce right here around this 1030 level, we're breaking through these 9s and we're going even lower. So keep that in mind. But if we do bounce off this 10, we could see another spike back up into these 17s in the short term. So yeah, the 10 level is very good if you're in Dogelon Mars and you happen to buy back here, and you continue to hold even through this spike, and you're still holding, you're right around break even again, if not losing money. It should spike again. It's just a matter of when. And I'm assuming a lot of you guys are in for the long term. I'm more of a day trader type, so I get in at lows and then get out when I'm up in profit, unless I super believe and think something's gonna go to the moon. And Dogelon Mars right now, it's not looking like it's going to the moon. I'm being completely honest with you guys. We're not seeing the right price action, but it is good averaging in opportunities, like coming to lows, all-time lows. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not putting any more money into Dogelon Mars right now. I'm gonna wait for it to bounce and show some support around, hopefully around these 10s, because if we break through these 10s, then we're headed lower. So I don't want to be into that, because every cent here, you can't even call this a cent, but every cent here is, at that point, it's 10%. If it goes from 10 to 9, that's 10% gone. If it goes from 9 to 8, that's another 10% gone. All the way down, 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 down. So it can go a lot lower. On the flip side, if it goes from, higher, that's 10% as well. So, yeah, getting in here would be a decent averaging an opportunity. I'm not touching it. I'm holding what I have. I think my average is around 1170. So I'm down a little bit right now. Probably 11%. 20% probably. So, yeah. But on the flip side, the other half that I took out at the little spike we saw around a month ago, that's up like 300% in the last month. So I'm chilling with that. But Dogelon Mars right now is not doing any good stuff. I just thought I should hop on and kind of address some of the stuff going on, because it looks like the community I've built is centered around Dogelon Mars. Even though you guys are getting into like arguments and shit because we're all losing money right now. But guys, if you're losing money, you just gotta find something that makes money. Like, it's that simple. Yeah, I'm losing money in Dogelon Mars, but I have my other portfolio that makes me like $300 to $500 a day right now, which is great. And so I'm not fucking sitting over here arguing in the YouTube comments. Like, I guess I am actually, because the market's closed on the weekends. And then we have the scammers, bro. Anyways, yeah, all crypto right now is looking pretty damn shitty. Bitcoin's almost at 100. Ethereum's at 223. Talks of war and shit definitely pushed this down. All of it. Which is really, I don't like that, honestly. I think crypto should kind of mirror gold in a way. Because if it truly is like a hedge against the modern dollar, then whenever the dollar drops, this should spike. So, yeah, the price action of this is a little bit stagnant, but yeah, as long as we should be all right in the future. I'll keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and argue in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Beanie Season 9 out.